The various rooms in the British Museum are the resort of the theologian, the geologist, the historian, and the scholar in every department of science and art. Full stop. There are to be found relics of the Assyrians, the Babylonians, and other ancient nations long since passed away. Full stop. Wonderful specimens of beautiful Indian and other Oriental arts and crafts, miscellaneous ornaments ingeniously carved, and showing the most delicate work and the liveliest imagination of the artist, are to be seen in the museum. Full stop. No wonder that it exercises a great attraction for the visitor to London. Full stop. Close.